Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to show you how to do these super easy leopard print nails. So let's get started. The things you'll need are a base coat, a top coat, a white nail polish, a nudie brown nail polish, a darker brown nail polish, and a black nail polish. You will also need a makeup sponge and a dotting tool, but I just forgot to record that. You're going to start off by applying base coat to all of your nails to allow your manicure to last as long as possible. Then you're going to apply white nail polish to all of your nails. Then on a makeup sponge, you're going to apply your white nail polish and your light brown nail polish right next to each other and sponge it onto your nail to create a gradient. You're going to want to do many layers so that you can have your nail polish be very opaque and well blended. Also, I forgot to put anything around my nail, but I would suggest you put liquid latex or something to make cleanup a lot easier. Then, to smooth out the gradient, you want to apply top coat. Then, using your darker brown nail polish, you're going to want to randomly place uneven dots all over your nail. Next, you're going to make kind of C-shaped brackets using your black polish around the brown dots. And ignore the small brown dots. I didn't mean to do that. I accidentally kind of went overboard and made small dots. You'll see what I meant to do later. Then in the empty spaces, you're just going to make smaller black dots. Then you're just going to finish off the design by applying top coat. This design would also look cool if you use matte top coat. So that is it for these super easy leopard print nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, and I'll see you all later. Bye!